Hi, hello, good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
What is your name?
Mirna Villamora, ma'am.
What is your age?
22 years old, ma'am.
Which year were you born?
December 26, 1982, ma'am.
Do you have a valid work permit and Hong Kong identity card?
No, ma'am.
Do you have a valid passport?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you smoke?
No, ma'am.
Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to help my family, ma'am.
What is your hometown?
Sierra Nevada, Tinambacanga, River, ma'am.
What is your level of education?
High school graduate, ma'am.
Are you married or single?
Separated, ma'am.
Do you have children?
Yes, ma'am.
How old are they?
16, 13, and 10.
Who takes care of them?
My sister.
How many people are in your family?
11, ma'am.
Do you have financial commitment to support them?
No, ma'am.
Do you have any debts either here or in your home country?
No, ma'am.
How many years of experience do you have?
3 years, ma'am.
What do you enjoy most about the job?
Taking care of baby, ma'am.
What do you enjoy the least?
Pardon, ma'am.
What do you enjoy the least? You don't enjoy most.
Take a baby, ma'am.
Do you have allergies for food, drugs, and detergents?
No, ma'am.
Are you afraid of pets?
No, ma'am.
How did you handle your conflict with your previous employers?
I talked to him, ma'am.
Do you accept no day offs but to be paid by your employer?
Yes, ma'am.
In your last place of employment, were both employers working?
Yes, ma'am.
Was your role primarily childcare or housework?
Housework, ma'am.
How many hours each day did you work?
8 to 10 hours, ma'am. 8 to 10 hours, ma'am.
Do you have a first aid certificate?
No, ma'am.
Are you willing to attend such a course?
Yes, ma'am.
If my child burnt their hand on the iron, what would you do?
I will put an ointment, ma'am.
If my son was being very naughty when you were babysitting him, what would you do?
I talked to him, ma'am.
Are you willing to wake up early in the morning and sleep late at night?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you cook?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you cook Chinese food?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you speak Cantonese?
Little bit, ma'am.
Are you willing to cut your hair short?
Yes, ma'am.
What would you like to do during your spare time?
Riding, ma'am.
Share your message to your employer.
Dear sir, ma'am, please hire me as your helper. I'm a honest person, trustworthy, and hardworking.
Please sing one nursery rhyme.
I love you. You love me. We are happy family with a great big hug and a kiss from me. Won't you say you love me too?
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.